Welcome to the Traders Corner, brought to you by the StreetBeat.com CEO Interview Series. And now your host, Steve Cannavale.
Steve Cannavale and Traders Corner, happy Monday. Sponsored by the StreetBeat.com on our site, Expedited.com. Today we're talking about Hurricane 2012 and the eerie eve of Katrina. Ernesto, Gordon, or Flo, Allison, Iris, and Oscar, Lenny, plus Michelle, these have all been replaced and retired to make way for Andrea, Franklin, Gaston, and Lee, but a few names bring chills to those in the path. This sounds like a high school party list, but these names are names you know. Maybe you know someone who's named after a hurricane, and anyone named Katrina knows exactly the duality of a name if you're named after a hurricane. Hurricane names are chosen from a list selected by the World Meteorological Organization. The Atlantic is assigned 6 lists of names, with one list used each year. Every 6th year, the first list of the names begins again, and each name on the list starts with a different letter. For example, the name of the very first hurricane of the season starts with the letter A, logically, and the next starts with letter B, and so on. The letters Q, U, X, Y, and Z, however, are not used. Often, when an unusually destructive hurricane hits, that hurricane's name is retired or never used again. Since 1954, 40 names have been retired. In 1996, Hurricane Lewis was retired. Tropical Storm Isaac, with sustained winds of 60 miles an hour, lashed the Florida Keys and is expecting to intensify, gaining strength as it moves into the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico and makes landfall on Tuesday as possibly a Category 2 hurricane. The projected track and timing is eerily similar to that of Hurricane Katrina, which devastated New Orleans and the Gulf Coast in August of 2005. And wow, that seems so long ago, and yet it was just 7 short years ago. Louisiana Governor Jindal declared a state of emergency and ordered voluntary evacuations of more than a dozen parishes. Governors in Alabama and Mississippi did also. The mayor of New Orleans, Mitch Landry, told CNN Sunday, says, "I know the anxiety level is high. The storm is somewhat uncertain, but out of an abundance of caution, we will begin to take these precautions as quickly as we can." Again, heavy rain is expected in southern Florida and the Keys, up to 10 inches expected Sunday. This is Steve Cannavale reporting here in Traders Corner, brought to you by the StreetBeat.com. We're starting the hurricane season, and we'll start looking for some hurricane stocks. Happy Monday.
TheStreetBeat.com is a publisher of news and opinions and not a securities dealer or broker or an investment advisor. For a full disclaimer, please see our website, www.thestreetbeat.com.